up guys? Welcome back to another challenging video. So today, this is gonna be a quite challenging video because we have my brother Joshua here. And you know how he is, you know. Oops. I meant to go like this. Sorry. So, in this video, as you guys see in the thumbnail and in the title, it says who can make the fastest and the farthest airplane?
The coolest.
No, actually, just the farthest and the coolest airplane, paper airplane. Now for these airplanes, we're just gonna use some line papers.
But you could use whichever one.
Yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. He's gonna be in his room, and I'll be in my room. And let's see who makes the best airplane. That way we cannot be copying each other or get ideas, you know. And we're also gonna get to decorate our own airplanes. So, you know, we could grab some markers or anything you want from the things that you have in your room. And I think I'm gonna use like my markers right here. You know those markers right there. And
those look good markers. Those are like good.
Yeah, just whatever. That way I can make it look cool too, you know. So yeah, we're just gonna get started, and I'm gonna have my camera right there. Josh is gonna have his camera, his phone, whatever, over there in his room. So just make sure you guys check on us to see we're like not doing anything, you know. Okay. So just make sure to subscribe to this channel and to my other channel, Natalia Molina. That's I do saxophone videos, also saxophone videos, Christian, and what else? And make sure to share to family and friends. That way this video could go everywhere. And make sure to comment down below what other video ideas, because I'm kind of running out, but I do got some in mind. And make sure to like this video, okay? So, catch you guys up in a few minutes.
Like it.
Whew. Okay, so guys, welcome back. Just a few minutes later, and I just have a line paper, and this is how I'm gonna start. I'm gonna try not to talk that loud because Josh is like next door. So I kind of forgot. So I think I got an idea like to have. Let's see. Oh, okay. So I got it. So you go. I think like this, kind of like that. Okay. Once I got it like that, you have to kind of go. That was my sister opening the door. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure like this, and then just put them more down, just right there. Okay, once you do that, or once I do that, which way? This one? Yeah, I think we'll go this way. So then I go like that. So I think I'm just gonna go like that. Okay, so now you guys could go check up on Joshua, and I'll be back with my final results.
So guys, right here I have a blank paper. Sorry for this. And I have some markers. And so yeah, let's get started. Sorry about the things I have right here. So yeah, let's start like decorating it first. Let's use red. Nope. Sorry. I don't really like painting, so yeah. So I will get paper out. The one that my Uncle Eric taught me. So as we have this, I'll make like out of this red. So that for red. Now we will get blue. I already knew the color, but I just want to show you. Blue. red, and blue. So now let's get started with the actually green. Let's go with the green. Right, so now we have green, red, blue. Now let's go with the last one. Black. After this, it's gonna look awesome. Okay, so you guys, let's go to my sister.
Alright, so guys, right now I just zoomed a little on the camera because, you know, so I was doing with my airplane. I didn't know like kind of like decorated. I got this. I don't really like that design, but I mean, you know what I think? I think that the more heavier it has on the tip, it goes more farther, and it's got more thing, whatever that thing. I don't know what it's called. The thingy. But I don't like this how it moves, so I think I have to glue it a little. But I mean, you guys don't have to. And right now, what I'm going for right here is to have like the black, and then the red, and then the orange, and then maybe a yellow on the tip. I mean, right here, if it has enough space. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the red and the rest. Done right here with the red color. So as you guys see, it's kind of like blending in there. Not so much, but it kind of looks weird from here. Whatever. Now I'm gonna go on to the green. Orange. Sorry. The orange. So I'm just gonna try to blend it in here too. And I hope it looks right. Sorry, my hand is like blocking it. Yeah. So I'm up to the middle right now. And it's looking pretty cool. Just that it's looking kind of weird right now because I'm not like completely done with it. So the ending product is gonna look awesome. I'm gonna be Joshua so far. Look, just watch, and watch. I think on this one now, yeah, I'm gonna add like a little yellow because it has a lot of space. So I think I'm gonna get my other orange, whatever. My orange marker. See if it's better. So I got these markers right here. I think this would have been way better from the start. But I mean, I messed up. Let's try to do it with my colors. Okay, so I got this part right here all ready and good. You guys can see that right there. It kind of looks like it's blended in, and also right here, kind of looks weird in there, but I mean, it's cool. I just need to like add some stuff right here. Oh, sorry, some stuff right here, and then let's go to Joshua. Let's see how he's doing. Okay.
You guys, I did the jam and the happy face, but I'm like, why don't we add something else? so I did the gym, right? So, and then since I like really love Avatar: The Last Airbender, I did fire, fire. And then on this side, since Aang's is air, and air's like, we can't see it, but a lot of people like, I see it blue, so yeah, let's do blue. So you guys, I am done, so let's go. Let's wait until she's done.
Alright, so guys, I am almost done. As you guys can see, it looks, I kind of made like a fire design or something like that. And right now I'm just going to add like a little cute little touches. You're going to go like ching, ching, ching. Then I'm going to do it with the other orange. That can make it look super real. Whoops, does it take my hand now? Okay. Now we're going to do it to the red one. Alright, so guys, I'm pretty sure I finished. So, there you go. Look at that. Looks pretty awesome, huh? Look at that. Comment. Oh, you guys can't even see. Okay, so comment down below right now whose you think is better. I honestly think mine. I haven't seen Josh's yet. So we're gonna reveal it to ourselves. No, we're gonna reveal it to them that mine is better. Just kidding. So we're gonna go fly them out later because I have to go eat right now. So just comment down below mine is better. Just kidding. Okay, so so yeah, we're gonna take the thumbnail right now. So that's gonna look pretty cool. So make sure to smash that like button. Okay, so see you guys in a few minutes. So guys, we are outside. Look, Joshua.
Oh my goodness, it looks like it's on fire.
It is, mister. Let me see yours.
Mine is on
No, just kidding.
air and
Whoopsies. Okay, there
mine
you
is on air, on.
¡Ah! Se cayó otra vez. Wait. Okay. Okay, let's just fly it. See who goes the farthest. Ready?
What is yours?
Okay, I'm gonna fly mine first. I really hope.
Cool, but
Hey. Okay, ready? Ah, my wing kind of got damaged. I don't think it's gonna
Okay,
do
just
that.
try it.
Okay. Okay, it goes that far. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Oh my god!
Woo! That was good. Okay, we're gonna do round 2. Okay?
Oh, we're doing rounds?
Okay, there's only gonna be 2 rounds because I want my turn. That's kidding. There's only gonna be 2 rounds because we have to eat. Yes. Okay. Ready? 1. Lily, chill.
I just
What?
want to see it.
Oh my God! If he lands, gonna lose. If he lands the farthest, then we're gonna have to do another one. Oh my God! Come on, dude.
Told you.
Oh my God! There's no on my feet. It doesn't even come out.
Nah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! Please. Okay. Okay. So Joshua got the better airplane.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. For this video could go. You see, he's saying yeah.
Okay, so make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment. Thanks for watching. It fell again. Bye.